Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stories not showing on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will go to this window and you will search about Messenger app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.